Here at Wallkill, we have two rotary presses. Each prints something called a signature, which is virtually the same as a 32-page brochure. The press can print up to 94,000 signatures per hour. If these were stacked on top of each other, they would reach the height of a 30-story building every hour. The process begins with a 3,000 to 4,000 pound roll of paper. It's loaded along the press, rolled into place, trimmed, and lined with double-sided tape. Before the previous roll is finished, the new roll is loaded onto the splicer. By means of double-sided tape, this roll is attached to the expiring roll. Next, the paper advances to the 4 print units, which apply ink on both sides of the paper at the same time. The presses use a technique called offset printing. This process uses printing plates designed to allow water to repel ink from the non-image areas and attract ink to the image areas. The plate then transfers the ink to a rubber blanket, which then transfers the ink to the paper. 4 colors of ink are used to create the images. They are black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. The ink on the paper is applied in tiny dots. By using this technique, a wide range of colors can be achieved. Now the paper goes through the dryer, which maintains a temperature of around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Solvents from the ink are evaporated inside the dryer. Next, in order to set the ink so that it will not smear, the paper travels through a series of rollers filled with chilled water. Now that the ink is dry, the paper is folded and cut. Finally, the conveyor brings the cut signatures out of the press and they are checked for quality. They are then processed and distributed to the congregations.